playing yesterday and playing a little bit today. So I kind of love it, man. Just
What's your
pretty awesome.
what's your favorite part about the TDI?
Man, I mean, it's like for me, it looks pretty easy. Like when I spot it, like when it start to reversing like a bearish or, bullish things, and when you explain me like on the support resistance, how to spot it, like those double touches, and then reverse. Like I've been scalping the same tickets all day long.
Oh, so
I mean, it's a little bit. I mean, like I'm still learning a lot of things, but like I love it the way how it works, and I practice in on the real account. Probably I shouldn't do that, but I mean, it's like I love it because I can track that is actually what I'm doing is actually works very well
yeah,
for
and,
me.
and you're not wrong for trading on your real account. Shout out to you for that. And here's why. Because if you can do it on a real account, you can do it on a demo account, right? But then
Yeah,
also on the other side of the coin, if you can do it on a demo, you can do it on a real. You see what I'm saying? Now there
yeah,
because now it's a certain thing that happens with people. There's a mindset shift that happens that allows us to believe in the result or to fade away from the result. And if we're
yep.
creating that result that we want, it comes to us easy. But if we trying to fade away from it and trying to avoid it and talk crap about it, it's not gonna happen. We ain't gonna make it happen.com. That's just what happens. So with you being able to catch those things with a short amount of time and a little bit of piece of information, that's a blessing without sneezing. Congrats to you, man. That's huge. That is
Thanks, man.
huge.
I love it. Love it. Thank you.
Yes, indeed. And now you see you got me on GCAD. I never traded GCAD till yesterday or this morning.
Mhm.
Oh
Me
wait,
too. I was just kind of like spotting to see like actually see that double top previously also like super high, and
that's
then
what's
I just
up.
like, oh, let me see, let me take a look, and I start kind of like I still practice in many other tickers like pair to see how they're reacting, what's going on, and like
Yeah.
spotted like this one, and then I spotted like, okay, let me ask on the session, let's my brother kid take a look and let me know if I'm right about it because it does looks very promising. So it's just like, okay, let's see what we can do about it.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna give y'all some more information. Okay, so cool. This helps me with today, even right now. Like perfect example, y'all. So we looking at this sale on GCAD, and now I know on my trading view it doesn't look as promising or whatever the case may be, right? So if y'all have seen in the chat or in the community, we are actually making it happen.com with the bazcode.com, right? Y'all can go on here and y'all can test out the scanner, right?
Oh, we can?
Oh yeah, so go to bazcode.com and create your account.
Okay, that's
And
cool.
yeah, and once you create that account, so listen, indicator wise, if you're trying to go to like if you're on here trying to go to indicators, oh wait, indicators, it's not going to let you add it. So don't even focus on clicking indicators. The indicators that is needed for the scanner is already on here. The one thing you want to do is go to volume and turn that thing off.
Law?
Turn it off. So volume gonna be off. And then what you want to do is look at the market. The market goes to session highs, session or previous session highs, previous session lows, previous daily highs, and previous daily lows. So where price is at now, just looking at it, it's looking like it's about to pull. Oh wait, this is EURUSD.
Right.
I
So,
was about to go ham.
Yeah, you got
My
to
GBP
my
it's
boy,
still
my boy Dick, what's up, man?
I'm doing
Hey,
a
that's my
trade still
guy, man.
is that trade still valid?
Yeah. We in it right now. It's so it's in the middle of dropping, of course.
That's in
We
15 minutes.
yeah, and I think like it just dropped 10 pips in like the last 15. Like,
Yeah, I'm in a low profit on.
yeah, I actually 10 minutes. So
Oh, wait a minute.
Nicholas,
I
I got
think,
it dropping 100 pips
yeah, because
overall.
I'm at $1.10. Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
cool. Yeah. And then like so when I look at the bigger picture of it too, we gotta meet that New York oh wait, let me go back to the code joint. We gotta go back to that New York session. I know they lying. They trying to expose my music stuff. It's like, nah. So this New York session and this London session, they have the same low.
Um,
That is a strong level of resistance. Listen, so I'm taking price down to here, and then I want that mug to pull back up like a pamper from there, though. But again, that's just what I'm looking at right now. We already got our cross confirmation right here, the 13 and 50. Sale still solid. It just pulled up 2 pips. Cool. Let's give it its time to breathe and get to its destination. And I need to look at UJEC.
It was 13 and 50.
Which one? US 30?
No, I mean you said 13 and 50. That's the
Oh
moving
yeah.
average.
Yep. 13 exponential and then the 50.
So you wait till it cross.
That's a great question. So I'm not waiting for it to cross. That's another confirmation. Like right now, you see on this 15-minute time frame on TradingView, it hasn't crossed yet. So here's my motto, and this is like my end all be all. I'm gonna go to a different chart. Hold on. Same chart, different thingy. So like GBP CAD still the same, but I'm on Wanda versus IC markets. IC markets is closer to the Novus charts than other ones are. All right, so on here, I look at, I'm going to the weekly first. And I'm gonna mark the, so you, oh, as a matter of fact, Nick, you traded with me before. Nick, you remember how I was going to the daily time frame doing the previous daily high, previous daily low?
Yeah.
So I do the same thing on a weekly time frame. And then I go to the 15-minute time frame and wait for price to get to that daily high or daily low or previous session high or previous session low and wait for us to cross that red line on the TDI for entry. Literally. So for example, all right, boom, got that pulling up. Boom, bam, bop. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? It's like, no, I'm playing. So right here, now we see the same exact thing happening. So for example, so last night we was on up here, I believe, like somewhere around this area last night, and we like the homie was like, "Hey, can you look at GBP CAD?" I'm like, "Yeah, I got you." And at the moment like, we look at the chart, I'm like, "Oh snap, it's about to drop, yo!" Like word, like yo, everybody, we're gonna take this sale. So last night it dropped. It gave us TP1, but then price pulled back. And if you look at my guidance counselors, previous daily high. This is the previous daily high, and price is reacting off of it. So this is how, Nicholas, this is how I'm going off of my trades now. Ignore the bottom, the TDI. Hold on, wait, it's gonna cut off in a second. There we go. So here, it's like I'm on an hour time frame. We hit the previous daily high. They're probably getting disrespected. And now I'm looking at the 15-minute time frame. So now these people are more likely to be more engaged with custom. Like again, I'm utilizing trading concept with real life situations. I don't want to confuse you guys, right? The main thing that stop people from trading is a confused mind. Has anybody on here, let's just be honest, have any of us on here ever been confused when it came to trading? Like I want to trade, I want to put my money into the market, but if I do it, I may lose my money. You know what I'm saying? Like it be those type concepts that hold us back. And if I look at it that way, whose issue is that? It's mine. It's my own issue. We got to learn what our this is why experience is the best teacher. right? Imagine plugging into this trade before the call and being in the negative versus plugging into this trade right now. You ain't as worried if you entered it when I called it, but when I get on a call, it's like, okay, cool. But in order for me to help y'all have the major success with this trade, I want y'all to be able to see, because the market creates letters. And y'all can see right now, overall, look at the first leg of this. Look, they got a cross here. That's a trend going up, trend going down, trend going up, and the trend is about to go down. It's a M. It's a whole M. Right? Look at that. Boom, bam, bop, bam, bop.
Mm.
And then I can drag it further down to the previous weekly high. Now, y'all see how we have the previous daily high, previous daily low, previous weekly high, and then of course below that is going to be the previous weekly low. So think about it this way. If we, let me use the path real quick. All right, boom. I'm price.
No,
I'm like, yo, oh, all right, cool. We can make money. I see a trade happening.
no,
From here,
no,
I see that we're going above the previous daily high.
no.
Hold on, you guys. 1 second, you guys. Wait, there we go. It just took me
No,
completely off of the
no,
chart.
no.
My bad, Zoom user. I had to mute you, bro. You was in the call, man. All gravy. Let me share the screen real quick. Okay, cool, perfect. So on this chart, y'all, I want y'all to see this sale like I see the sale. And I want y'all to be able to take advantage of the sale. It's just mindset. Like all this stuff is just mindset. Where in the heck is the chart? I mean, y'all can't see the screen, can you? I'm trying to share again. Wait. All right, bet. Perfect. Whatever. Whatever's happening is happening. So on here, it's the same concept. Yo, you get double touches on your singles or your videos or your producing skills or whatever the case is. You put producing on here, it's going to help you out tremendously. Seriously. Everything you want is on the other side of the action you haven't taken yet. Let's go. I see y'all at the top. Anybody got any questions though? Let me check the chatteroni. Let me stop sharing the screen. All right, full transparency. Anybody have any questions, comments, concerns, anything they need help with? How can they break through to break you? All that great stuff. If you're on mute and you want to talk, you can unmute. That's cool. I'm not opposed to it. I'm just gonna pull a chart up while we yapping. So all you gotta know is, let me go with this. And you covered it up pretty good. That's tough. Let's say we celebrate. You the woman in my dream, I wanna date.
You said the king of finest queen, we can't relate. Shy, your smile is really clean. Smile is really clean.
When you're not with me,
I be thinking about you every day. Got the Bible on your desk, so I know you pray. It impresses me cause you're beautiful every day. You said your husband will find you.
I really know it's not me, so is it me? Focus.
Is it me?
Is it me?
Is it me?
Am I the trader? Am I the educator? Am I the coach? Am I the mentor? Is it me? For real. You feel me? Hey. Yeah. It's like life won't throw you curveballs, man. That's how you respond to it. Real talk. Like we can go through all these things that we go through in life, but if we don't look at the positive side of it or don't expect the positives to come out of it, we're gonna continue to attract negativity. There's nothing in this world worth goddamn manifesting besides positivity. I don't got time to be hearing about nothing negative. I don't got time to be hearing about crap that's not gonna help me push forward in this thing that we call life. I need those things that's coming toward my life real, right? Oh, you know what? The market about to move down, but we can help other people get 20 pips. Cool. That's where I'm trying to be at. Like, yo, I want to help the masses, help the masses. And I know it's going to happen. It's already happened. It's just got to get done the right way this time. And we got boot camps coming up. I'm going to be teaching on some boot camps. I'm debating right now if I should get on a boot camp for the 10th and 11th. It's just that my birthday on the 9th. And I haven't celebrated a birthday in years. And I'm like, I don't even care what I do. Like I told back at Zero, like, let's go to a bowling alley and go bowl. So that's the game plan, but who knows? It could be a different type of time we operating on. You know what I'm saying? Let me see. Mine the 17th. Oh, Capricorn season. Let's go, bro. Yes, yeah, mine on Friday. Mine on 9th. Mine's in 2 days, yo. 2 days, I'll be 36. And I'm utilizing my birthday to teach the team. That's my plan. I don't really have nothing extra for y'all for real. I just want to give y'all some good music for real. Cause after this, I'm about to take over everybody in every industry. Oh, happy belated, Crystal, on the game. Hey, Jahir, you know what? I got you, bro. You talking about Capricorn's end and start the year? What I tell you? That means we the beginning and the end. Y'all about to get me in trouble on this call now. You know what I'm saying? Guy gonna be like, yo, don't do that. It's like, nah, should I trail my stop loss? That's a great question. So let me ask you first. So and this is just me. Yes, I don't mind telling you what you should do, but I want to see where your mind is at. Let me ask you first. Is that what you want to trail your stop loss? And if so, is that what you normally do? Because that's a great move to make. Don't get me wrong. I hope you ain't taking it like, oh, he's biting me down. Like, nah, you good. You good. Like putting that trail stop loss in profit is perfect for sure because you're protecting your profits. Think about this. If you ever had a time to put yourself in a win-win situation, would you rather that or a guesstimate? You feel me? And that's just real. Like you want a guesstimate trade or you feel me? And all of us gonna say, oh, I want that one trade that's gonna set me apart from the masses. And then from there, we just makeithappen.com. Yeah, kind of sound like I'm losing bread. Hey, bread. Okay, now that's a great statement. So, stop losses. It would depend on where you're putting it at. Like if you have it at entry, that's cool. But a lot of times, remember that the market move with whole numbers. So like the zero, so everything before the period, and then so it'd be like period. So again, ignore the numbers in the front. Whatever it is, period, 347 or 365 rather. Let's use it 365. And then we go to the next letter and then draw something for the Q, and then go from there with the R and the S and the T and all this other stuff, I and the N, the A, the R A T I S A. Y'all go through that, and y'all gonna create a beautiful background that can be used as a cover photo. Like, word. And the whole goal is to eat, so we're not gonna complain at the plate for tonight.